Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to try this very classy look, this very classy updo from Glory Okings that I admire a lot because her styles are very easy and you do not need a ton of products. Generally, you don't even need products to style your hair like hers. My hair looks nothing like hers at starting point, so I'm going to try to detangle it a bit, finger detangle. At least I'm going to try to stay at finger detangle. This is my hair. I always start everything with my brush. I brush all my edges because my edges don't want to hear anything. You don't want to hear anything. It is true that my edges have had pity on me recently. They have shown me mercy and they are trying to grow back. I feel more comfortable wearing my hair out like this, but I'm still going to have to choose where to put the part according to my edges. And I think I'm going to put it here. Next thing she does is kind of separate the sides. I'm trying to avoid rubber bands, so I'm going to go for thread instead. I think I better go for thread. I'm going to try to put these ones aside first. When I first looked at the hairstyle, I thought it was like a French braid or something. But when she was doing it, she was doing she was kind of putting sections together and pinning them down. That seemed a lot easier. Like I like that fake French braid look. I'm going to try with four sections this way, and same thing this other way. What I'm going to do is try to place the next parts on top of the ends from the previous part so they are not visible. That's what I'm going to try to do. I do not know if that is what she did, but that's what I'm going to do. I really hope it looks good. I really hope so. I have no idea what it looks like in the back. I hope it looks good. For the front, I think I film with my phone and it's the only phone I have, so I have to watch the video first. Try to keep it in mind, then recreate it later. I can't watch and do at the same time. So I might get this wrong. I think she did something like fold the hair, twist it like this. I was going for an invisible part there. Okay, let me see. I just like to give a little bit of volume, a little bit of, let me twist it. Could pin it here. When you have thin edges, it is really complicated to get styles like this. Not look like they're hanging on your head. Not look like you just brought some hair and put here and you're trying to cover the entire front section of your hair. My edges are too young. Let me just put it like that for me to just leave them like this. They look like they look too stubborn. They look like teenagers just doing their own thing and nobody can talk to them. So I'm going to use this gel to try to make them see reasons with me. My makeup looks off, but the focus is the hairstyle. It actually came out really good, really beautiful. I like it, and I like how simple it is, how easy it is to achieve it. This is my third attempt at a full face makeup, and I actually feel like I'm getting better. The second attempt looked like nothing. I could not even film it. I was so disappointed in myself. Hope you liked the video, guys. Like I always say, things are definitely going to change. They can never stay the same. Take care. Bye.